Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go the D'Amelio family channel analytics. They have uploaded 9 videos. They now have 1.62 million subscribers with a total view of 58,537,152 views. They are from US. And they created their channel since May 6, 2019. The grade they got is B. And their social blade ranking is at 92,870th. The subscriber ranking is 13,341st and then video view rank is 93,819th. They ranked at 3,470th in US. Next, the daily subs for the D'Amelio family is around 334 with a daily view of 36,872. Now let's talk about how much money they are making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 37,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $148. Then, monthly income will be $4,400. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $2,442 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $29,304. That is how much the D'Amelio family makes from YouTube.